All right, guys, good day, everyone. I greet you all and I welcome you all to this week episode. Today is Tuesday. It's about 3:45 now, and I just took my first trade for the week. Remember, this is the last week for the month of February, and this is my third trade for the month. And I think it might be my last trade for this month, but I don't know yet. I might still see another good setup and I won't hesitate to take it. But I'm on a trade now on NAS 100. I'm on a sell. So I will take you guys to the chart now and show you guys this trade. Alright guys, so this is the trade on NAS 100. This is NAS 100 30 minutes time frame. So I set this pending order since 12 after 12, but it just triggered like to 4. So I'm on this sell now and I'll wait and see what happens. I hope this one is a good one. The trade is about 1:5, but I might not be holding till the full TP. This low here is I think around 1:2.5. So once the trade take out this low, me holding this trade to this point will be depending on what price does after it takes out this low. So that is just it. Let's see how it goes. I pray this one is a good one. And this is my third trade for this month, and it will also be my last trade if it's a loss for the account I'm trading now. The gold funded 5K account, I only have 1% left on that account, and that 1% is what I'm risking on this trade. So if this trade later stop me out, that account is gone. But if I'm able to get a take profit on this trade, that means the account will still be alive. But I don't know what the outcome will be, so we'll just have to sit and watch. I'll definitely update you guys by tomorrow and we'll see how the trade plays out. Catch you guys. All right, good day everyone. I greet you. Today is Wednesday and I want to update you guys on the trade I took yesterday on that NAS 100 sale. So the trade later stopped me out. So finally I've lost that my PropFirm account. So painful, but it's fine, it's okay. We'll keep going, we'll keep pushing. I'll tag the email they sent me when I breached their account on this video, and then I'll take you guys to the chat now and show you guys the trade, how it played out. All right guys, so this is the trade. You can see after the market trigger drop a little bit, then push up again and stop me out. I entered this trade 3:30, I think. That was when this trade triggered me and then stopped me out by 5 o'clock. So finally that account is gone. Let me show you guys from my so you can see this is the account. Failed. So painful, but it's okay. We'll keep pushing, I had another account which I will be taking if I see another trade. So I will tag the screenshot of that account to this video. That I have I think that account is not on MT5. I think it's Match Trader. Let me see. Okay, so this is the account here. You can see $4,652. So I have 3% left on this account. That is 3 trades. So let's see let's see how it goes. I will update you guys. For now, I haven't seen any good setup, but right now I'll be expecting this resistance level to fail on last 100. I'll be expecting it to fail to take it out. So if you take it out, then I will be expecting internal liquidity to be taken, which is this or this. So once the internal liquidity is taken and I see a buy intent to the upside, that means the high that was created is going to be targeted. That will be when I will be taking another buy, and I don't think that will be happening this week. I don't know, but for now I'm not seeing any valid setup on NAS 100 or US 30. But in case I do, I will definitely update you guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, good day everyone. I greet you and I welcome you guys to today's video. Today is Thursday, and yesterday I later took another trade, but I was not able to update you guys that yesterday, so I decided to do the video today because yesterday I was very tired and weak. Even that trade, I almost missed that trade. I almost missed the trade, but I later took the trade though. His trade is still running till now. It was on US 30. The trade is running almost 3 hours now, almost 3 hours now. Yesterday even the trade was up above 2.5. So before I sleep yesterday, I was able to break even that yesterday. So I just left the trade there. It was a 5-hour trade. So let's see how this one goes. Let me just take you guys to the chart and show you the trade. Alright guys, so this is the trade on NAS 100. This is 5-hour trade. Right now the market is around 3 hours. Let me see, it's 143 because I'm risking 1% on this trade, so almost 3 hours. So I almost lost this trade. I saw this setup. This is my clean setup, and I was hesitating to take this trade. I guess it's because of the too much loss I've taken lately. I almost lost this trade. I wanted to wait for this market to take out this high. Why the high is a buy side liquidity that I can trade to target. My clean setup, and I was hesitating because of the losses that I've been taking. But after I analyzed this trade before I took this trade because of fear, and at some point I was telling myself that you are just hesitating to take this trade because you are afraid that you don't want to take another loss this week. That is why you don't want to take this trade. That was when I said, okay, this is my setup, my clean setup, everything is intact. There's no need me hesitating on taking this trade. So I had to come and set that pending order and forget about it. By 11, that was when I come to the chart and say, let me see. And when I checked, I see that the market later triggered. I was pushing in profit. Then it was almost 1:2.6. So I had to break even and then let it run. Today around after 12, that was when I come to analyze, because I trade only New York. Came to analyze and I see that this market is pushing high and high. So let's see. I pray this one be a good one. At this buy side liquidity here, it will be around 4 point something R. So I might close from here, or if there is enough volatility on the market, I might also leave it to hit the target, which is 5.5 R. So I'll update you guys on how this trade end up maybe tomorrow, because I won't be trading tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Today is my last trading day. So anyhow, I'm going to update you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right guys, good day everyone. I greet you all and I welcome you guys to today's video. Today is Friday, and as you guys know, I've ended trading for the month and for the week. So I'll be dropping 2 videos this week. One will be for the normal weekly videos that I drop every week. I drop them every single week on Saturday, 12 o'clock on this YouTube channel. Then the other one will be my result for the month of February. So I think that will be episode 4, of my monthly PNL video. So I'll be dropping, maybe I will drop the weekly video on Saturday and then drop the other one on Sunday. I don't know, or maybe Monday. But then let me take you guys to the chart and show you guys the yesterday trade that I showed you guys, the US 30 buy. Something crazy happened on that trade. Let me take you guys to the charts so you guys will see for yourself. All right, so this is the trade. This is the NAS 100 trade, and you can see what happened. This zone that I was telling you guys that I will see what I will do when the market get there. I told you guys that whatever this market does after it took out this um liquidity here will determine if I will hold the trade or keep the or hold to full TP. But you can see what happened. Market just come with a long wick, and I was not even on the chart when this thing happened. At some point, I was regretting why I didn't set this high as my take profit, and that was almost 1 is to 4.5. You know. But then I remember that no matter what you do, market will always do what it wants to do. So there's nothing I can do about it. I was not on the chart, but when this market was playing around here after this pullback, when the market was playing around here, when it started moving like this, I think I've gotten uh 1 is to 3.5. Then so I shifted my break even again to secure 1%. That was what I did. So I broke even around this low here to secure 1%. But then I was expecting this pullback. This pullback, I was expecting it. That is why I marked out this other block here, this demand level. I marked it out even before this market took out this high. I've already marked this demand level here. I've already marked it out and map out this inducement here. I was hoping that this market will come down. Immediately it took out this one, this high here. I was hoping for the market to took it out, push down. I was expecting something here like this supply level, this one, to be the one to push it down with like this as liquidity, you know. So once this market took out this high, tap into this supply level here, I was expecting it to pull back and tag me from here before it take out this liquidity. But market did not do that. What the market did is take out this high, take out this one before pulling back. You know. So, but me having confidence in this trade, this market pullback stop me out at break even on this one, this first one. That yesterday, that was around 4 o'clock. So what I did was when the market came to this POI, it has already stopped me out. So I took another buy from here. Remember this, I break even on this, secured 1% on this one. I then entered this one, risking another 1. And this is 1 is to 4.64. That is, let's say 1 is to 4.5. I took this buy. And when I took this buy, you can see how that candle that come to mitigate that demand level, you can see how it melted. This is 1 hour candlestick. Come mitigate this demand level and melted back up and give me almost 1 is to 2 points something. You know, and then I break even. You see this line that I put here, that was my break even point. Then I break even. And after I break even, the next candle open, that next candle come back to stop me out
on break even that yesterday.
So guys, you can see after everything, I was not able to manage this trade well. This trade could have given me, let's say, 6%. And this one setup was supposed to put me on profit for this month. But I was not able to manage that trade well. Let me show you guys something.
If I had target this high as my take profit, my overall take profit, and when I spot this demand, this if I had taken this high as my overall take profit and I spot this second entry, you know, taking 4.5 from here and then taking 2% from here, that would be more than 6% for the month. And this would have put me in profit.
But nevertheless, I am still happy. Why I'm happy is that I can't remember the last time I had a profitable week, to be honest. I've been losing back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. The only thing keeping me strong and keeping me going here is discipline. Discipline. I started this month with 10% of my account. I had two. I had one, the phase two, that had 4%. Then I also have 3% on the other account. Phase one, 3% here, 3% here. That is 6%. So 6% plus 4% is 10%. I started the year with 10%. So in this 10%, I've lost 6% between January and February. Now I'm left with 4%. Even on that phase two account, I've taken one trade, that I told you guys on my last video. I think it's on my last video, last week or last 2 weeks video, where I took a buy on, is it on BTC, on that trade, on that account, and that trade hit SN, and that was a signal that my mentor gave us on the group. I just decided to take it. I took that trade on the other account. I don't want to take it on the account that was trading there, so it doesn't affect my documentary. That's why I take it on this phase two account, and I lost that trade, making this phase two to drop at 3%. You know, but with the break even yesterday, I was able to scale 1%. The account is back to 4% again. But I really, really messed up on that trade yesterday. And it taught me something. It taught me very important lesson that I will apply from now going on. You know, because what happened yesterday taught me a very big lesson. You know, liquidity is what moves the market. Liquidity moves the market. No matter the direction of markets, no matter the direction, no matter the market trend, once markets grab liquidity, it must react. It must react. And when that market wants to react, you don't know how the reaction will be. If it's a buy market, that market might still buy, but it has to react after grabbing liquidity first. So I learned a lot from that yesterday trade. If only I targeted that my next high, that would have been a very nice trade with 4.5 ROR. But it's okay. There's nothing I can do about it. So we'll keep pushing. So let me show you guys my match trader, so you will see what I was able to make out of that yesterday trade.
Okay, so this is the trade, US 30 buy. This is the true trade. This is the two trades. This is the first one. You can see I made $58 on this one. That was the break even. Then the second one was $13, putting it at $71 in total. That was what I made yesterday. So almost 1.5%. That was what I made yesterday. So this for a very long time. This is me closing a week profitable. You know, that was why I am still somehow happy, even though I was not able to manage that trade well. I was supposed to make more than, but at least I made something for the week. Though the month I still lost for the month. I will be dropping the video, so I will show you guys how my trade went for the month. So that is it for this trade. And you can see, let me show you guys my account balance. You see, I now have 4.5% to trade with. So we'll keep going. We'll come back next month because this is the last trading week for this month of February. We'll come back next month. We hope that March will be better than this month. Because this month is better than February. Yeah, this month is better than February. So I pray we'll come back next month, being March, and still do better. And March will be better than February.
So that is it, guys, for this week episode. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to like and subscribe to this video. Join the family. We have a lot to do here. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.